Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can reset your device through recovery mode. So normally this will also remove your screen lock, so if you have one, it will remove it, though let me quickly set it up, because as you can see I don't have one. I'm just gonna go quickly right here, select my screen lock, let's go with the pattern, there we go. And close this because I don't care for face recognition. It's already set up my screen lock, which you can see right here. So, like I said, this removes the screen lock, so let's just begin. I will mention before I begin that this will not remove things like your Google account or your Samsung account. Now, Samsung account cannot be bypassed, but Google account can. If you're interested in this, you can watch it in another video, which I did go through a bypass and show you how you can do this. But like I said, if you are logged into your Samsung account and your device is being resetted through this method, you will need to verify that account throughout the setup process, and this cannot be bypassed. So anyway, let's plug in our cable, which is connected to our computer. And what we want to do right now is hold power key and the volume down. You want to see the display, just because this will give us an insight when the phone will turn off. Once it turns off, you want to switch from volume down to volume up and power key. So right here, keep holding power and just switch to volume up. And as you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. And here you want to navigate using volume keys in order to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with power key, then select factory data reset. It should show at the bottom data wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once again and this will initiate a reboot and also continue the process in the background. So this will take, I would say, a little bit longer to turn on the device, but truth be told, this device is fast enough to basically make it seem like it's turning on as quick as it would normally take. So about a minute or less, and it should present us with the setup screen. And it's finished. So there we go. That is how you can reset your device through recovery mode and also get rid of some kind of screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now, as you can see, there is a pin, but this pin is strictly for the SIM card. So if I pop it out, this should disappear. And there we go. As you can see, there's our setup screen. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.